Hey, Chris from San Francisco. My favorites are Samar and Leyte. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm still really learning the Philippines and the area here and kind of getting the layout. I didn't really know much about Samar. I knew a lot about Leyte, but didn't know much about Samar. And it wasn't until really just kind of doing this trip that I kind of got the geography and how Samar is a little bit up north and Leyte is down south and kind of that. And I'm really looking forward, like I said, to kind of get back and do some long travel and extended. Joe and I are already talking about staying a month and just kind of touring through that whole area. So I'm really excited. Just really beautiful, and you could really get a different feel with the locals when you're in a place like that. They don't see a lot of foreigners, so there's a really different vibe versus here in Cebu where there's foreigners everywhere. And other cities probably like Manila and Dumaguete and things like that. Out in these other rural, more province areas, it's a different vibe. And it was a little unsettling at first, and I asked Joe, we're good, right? Everything's fine. She's like, yeah, there's not a lot of foreigners out here. So it's, but absolutely beautiful. That motorcycle riding that we did in Southern Leyte, man, some of the steepest roads I'd been on. I mean, just roads like that. It's crazy crazy steep, but the road conditions are actually surprisingly really good. That was one of the things that I was just really shocked by is how, not, coming from Colorado where you got extreme heat and then extreme cold, and that expansion and shrinking of the concrete, you just got potholes and all that other stuff. So, but here the roads actually are really, really, really surprisingly well and good for traveling. So, yeah, beautiful area. I can't wait to go back and really shoot it. So, I'm excited about that.